Hey everyone! So I know you are all burnt out on Zoom and craving some social interaction or maybe just a day to Netflix and chill, particularly today with all the rain. I just wanted to let you know of a few upcoming events that may have gotten lost in your email box. The first event is the Walker Business Connections, which is coming up September 30th. It's a professional development and career fair program for all students in the Walker College of Business. It's a virtual career fair this year, but a great opportunity to get connected with people in the business industry, score an internship, or a job placement. So please click on the link in the email that I sent you and register today. Secondly, I'm launching a program in the Brantley Risk and Insurance Center called Building Insurance Talent. It's a program for freshmen, sophomore, transfer students, which many of you are from underrepresented backgrounds who are willing to spend 8 weeks with me in exploring careers in insurance and risk management. So when we think about underrepresented backgrounds, we often just think about race, but it also can include international students, students from the LGBTQIA community, various abilities, first generation, students from rural communities, as well as veteran students. So if you are interested, fill out the form that is linked in the email today because I need to know how many students I have so that we can get the program going. I'm super excited about this program because it'll include virtual sessions, but also we'll be providing some catered meals. We'll have some game nights that'll probably be virtual, a virtual career day, some panel discussions, an opportunity to engage with people in the insurance industry, and in the summer or fall, we hope to be able to travel to the New York loft to do some on-site visits and networking, COVID restrictions permitting. In addition to this, students will also be able to connect into our mentoring program and have exposure to additional scholarship opportunities. The Boyles Lecture Series, we're excited to have Jose Minya, who's going to be joining us. Please pre-register. It's going to be a great event on Friday, October 2nd at 10 a.m. And lastly, and most importantly, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm not really bothered by students visiting me, texting me, emailing me, or contact me anytime. I am here to talk to you about the class, but I'm also here to talk to you about things like career opportunities, how to navigate your classes or college life, or just sit and listen to you vent about how crummy Zoom is. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your weekend.